Just a quick update. Just pairing up the stock now. Seem to be going nicely together. Breeding hens are a little bit quiet because it's the first time in it. I actually should have had the cocks in a couple of days beforehand to get them used to. Between working and all that, and the pigeons are out in my mother's house, so I'm trying to do the race loft as well. It's a lot of work. So, happy the way they're starting to settle now. I'll leave them like that for the next couple of days, and then I'll start letting them out one at a time, get them used to the boxes. As you can see, they're going together quite nice. There's no fight or that like that. I'm happy with that.